Hello guys, welcome back to Javan Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. And also I'll be posting all latest job updates for all freshers and experienced on daily basis. So I would recommend you to subscribe our channel so that you'll get an immediate notification and it will be easy for you to apply right away before it expires. So now let's get into today's video. So today we have come up with one of the best job opportunity from JustPay for all freshers with a package of 13 to 15 lakhs per annum, which is really a good start for freshers. And also we can't expect this salary range which is 13 to 15 even from other MNCs. So just don't miss this opportunity. And coming to company, JustPay is like a payment exchange between merchants, payment providers and banks. So if we do some transaction on some platform, it will redirect us to JustPay, which enables a connection between us and a specific bank. So if we take in India, per second some 2000 transactions are happening, and in one day around 50 million transactions are going on. So JustPay is really playing a key role in handling all these transactions. So there comes the job opportunity today from JustPay. So just don't miss this. So coming to other details, its registration deadline is 24th November and it's a free registration. It's a free of cost. You can just apply, and it was updated just around 2 days back, that is 5th November. And coming to eligibility, all BTech and BE students from any branch, you are eligible to apply for this, but you should be of 2022 passed out, and they are hiring only in India. So coming to interview process, you should come across 3 rounds like online assessment. The first one is online assessment. So once the registration is done, you have to undergo some online coding challenge where you'll be tested on basic coding skills. That might be C, Java, Python, C++. So only basic coding questions you have to answer. So based on your test score, you'll be shortlisted for further rounds. And your online assessment will be in between 26th November to 27th November. So registration is going to close on 24th. So after that, you will have assessment from 26th to 27th. So during this time, they'll be giving you a link where you have to take the online assessment. And you should be careful while taking online assessment, because you will be detected, your photo will be detected throughout your assessment process. So any malpractices are not allowed during this assessment. So just be careful. And resume submission. That means once the candidates are shortlisted, you have to provide some additional information. So this is a step before the final process. And after that, you'll have 2 days hackathon. So all the shortlisted participants should take part in 2 days hackathon, and also they'll be sharing these details via email once you are shortlisted. So, and also they have given some success stories here. BHIM, we all know that UPI payment app, which is being used by 18.4 million plus users. It was built by a developer who is having even less than 6 months experience. So if you just get placed in this company, you are really going to have a good career. This is really a good start for freshers. So yeah, prizes and rewards. Yeah. All the shortlisted candidates will be hired as full-time intern for 6 months, and if possible they'll extend it to even 8 to 12 months. And after that it will be converted to a full-time employment based on your work performance, and you will be paid around 40,000 rupees per month during your internship. So once it is converted to a full-time employment, you will be paid around 13 to 15 lakhs per annum. So this is a very quick information about this job role from JustPay. So just don't miss this opportunity. Just give it a try. All freshers can give it a try. They're going to just test your basic coding skills. After that, you should be participated in some jam-like session. They call it as hackathon. So if you are hired, They'll be giving you some internship program that might be around 6 to 18 months, and also you'll be paid internship, which is almost a software salary, 40,000 per month, and later on it will be converted to a full-time employment based on your work score. So if you match up with the skills, just click on register here and apply it as soon as possible. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding jobs from some other reputed companies in our channel. So please do check it out. And also if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.